Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have Maniology. There will be links in the description for the things that you see here. But we got this holiday party collection, and then this is a mystery box. It's in two, but it's one. So these are mystery polishes. I did not pick them out. And then they gave us a little sticker. I am a Maniology affiliate now, so there is a link and code for me down there so you can save some money. But let's see what these look like. We're first gonna start with the holiday party. All right, let's open this up. Wow, that's not good for my nail at all. Might have to put some builder gel on top of that one to hold it in because that was real bad. Let's use a tool. Okay, so here's our bottles. Ta-da! Ooh, look how pretty they are. So we've got like a bluey turquoise one, a pinky one, and a gold one. Let's make some swatches. So this first one is called Chill Out. There we go. And these are stamping polishes, but of course you can just paint them on as well. Look at that. That's a really pretty color. I actually have another polish that's a very similar metallic-y turquoise color, and I like it a lot. So this one is definitely right up my alley. I like this. And then we have Ho Ho Ho. That's real pretty too. This one is a metallic-y pink. It's almost rosy, but slightly more magenta, but not super purple. Very pretty. And then this last one is called It's Lit. And so this is our gold. We got 3 beautiful metallic stamping polishes. Now metallic stamping polishes can sometimes be a little bit more finicky than cream stamping polishes. There is a bit of a learning curve, but Maniology stamping polish is just such high quality polish that it does make it easier than some other brands to pick up your stamps. Alright, so that is the Maniology Holiday Party Collection. If you want to get it, it will be linked. I know the holidays are almost over, but like you'll have these forever. Let's check out the mystery box. Let's start with the small one, and we'll use our tool again. Alright. Ta-da! Ooh, wow! It's a hot pink, and then another blue. This one is very similar to the other, but it's a cream and a little bit more blue leaning. Let's make some swatches. Let's start with the blue one. It's called Summer Cruise. Oh wow, that is much darker on the swatch than in the bottle. It did not look this way. That's almost like a dark teal. I don't know if you can see it the same way that I'm seeing it. Of course, in the camera, it always looks different. It's more greeny in real life, but in the camera, it certainly looks like a dark teal. And really, so does the bottle, but I'll leave the link and you can see what color it actually is. And then the next one is Seashell. Now this one is like a bright bubblegum pink. Like if pink is your vibe, this is one for you. I don't use a lot of pinks, but they definitely do have a time and a place for them. This one is so sweet looking. This would look really great as part of like an Easter set, or maybe even a candy themed, maybe cotton candy. Super vibrant. And then we have 3 more. And ta-da! Ooh! Now this is definitely my type. We've got 2 blues and a gray, and one of them is sparkly. Let's make swatches. Alright, so let's look at the cream blue first. It's called Indicon. Look what I've done. I dropped it and it flung all over me and the mat. Okay. So this one is another one that is darker on the swatch than it is in the bottle. In fact, on the stick, it looks almost like what that other blue one looked like on the camera, but in real life, it is more teal-y than royal blue, like the camera suggests that it is. I don't know why the colors present so differently sometimes, and I don't even know what to do about that. Next, we have Greyjoy. Let me know if you watch Game of Thrones and you know who the Greyjoys are. I'm sure this is not named after that, but it is a bit of a hilarious coincidence. I like that. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a huge fan of monochrome, so everything on the black and white scale, which means all the grays in between, I'm a big fan. Definitely will get use out of this. And then the last one, the most fancy one, is Celestial. Very dark blue, very inky, very galactic with those sparkles. You can faintly see them. Let's see if I bring in a light. It does help a little bit. I like that. It's subtle, but beautiful. The bottle, obviously, you can see way more of those reflective glitters, but I think it's because they're stuck to the side, whereas this is just floating throughout. Alright, so I've went in with the sparkly dark blue and the gray and put down some base colors, and then we're gonna do some stamps. Let me go get a plate and then we'll do that. Okay, so we're gonna use the gold that we got and this Maniology stamper. I like these little square Maniology stampers. They are superior to many other stampers, and look how crisp and clear that is to look through. It's amazing. I'm gonna scoot this over to the side a little bit so it's not obstructing. So let's start here with this one. I want to get a good amount of that on there because I'm gonna scrape it this way. Oop, almost dropped it. Look how good that pickup is. That looks fantastic. We're gonna put that on the thumb. That's beautiful. You can use latex to go around your finger so you can peel it up, or you can just use a cleanup brush to get up this part that gets on your skin after. And then you use a lint roller to get the extra off of your stamper. Alright, so I've got a pickup and then this tiny little nail here. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that one on, and then this one as well. That takes it up. Alright, and then we've got these two, and then this one. I think we'll squeeze that guy on there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, we've got some good ones on here as well. I want to put this big one on here for sure, and then we'll get that one on there a little bit. Yeah. It's a bit hard to see on the gray, but that's alright. Now we just have this tiny one here. I don't want to get this excess from these trees on it though. So we'll put that one on, and then I've got some more. Let's put that one on, and then maybe a hint of this one off the edge. Yeah, that's cute. And then when you've completed your stamping, you take a cotton ball grabber and a cotton ball, dip it in acetone, and then just clean all of this off of here. Don't leave your stamping plates dirty, because that is disgusting, and if you build up polish in these stamps, you won't be able to pick them up again. Don't forget to clean the backs. And then you want to go in with the smudge-free top coat. The Maniology one is the best. This will keep you from ruining your stamp designs. If you just go in with a regular top coat straight onto that, it's gonna smear your stamps, and then they're not gonna be cute. So you put this on first, and then after this dries, you can go in with a standard top coat if you would like. And then while that dries, we're gonna go in with this bigger cleanup brush and clean up any overhang that we have, or where we've run off with our top coat a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll be back in a minute, put a regular top coat on when that is dry. Okay, so these are dry. I'm gonna go in with, China Glaze, fast forward, quick dry top coat. It's my favorite. Okay, so there it is. What do you think of these colors? I think they're really pretty, and I really like the dark blue and the gold together. I wish the snowflakes were a little bit easier to see on the gray, but I don't mind it. it almost kind of reminds me of lace on those. Now, while I am a Maniology affiliate, I did actually pay for these items on my own. I just wanted them. So if you're interested, of course, the links to these items will be below. If you have not tried nail stamping and you want to, Maniology is a great way to do it. They've got starter kits, and sometimes they even run promotions to where you can get a free starter kit if you pay for shipping. So be on the lookout for that. You'll see it on your social medias usually. I'm going to get you some photos outside of these nails. Please do let me know what you think. Which color is your favorite as well? And are you excited for the holiday season and all these holiday nails? Because I am on holiday nails train. I am excited. But that's it. Please do make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you're here for my content, and make sure you're leaving me comments. I do love to chat with you, and leave me a like if you like this video. I definitely do appreciate all of your interaction. It helps me, it helps my channel grow, which helps me make videos for you, and I hope you're enjoying to watch them. But that's it. I'll wrap it up and let you out of here. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.